Everyone, welcome to another video. So today we are going to install the official Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra screen protector. Great. So we're going to go ahead and remove this screen protector real quick, and then we're going to get a close-up to this one. So I'll see you guys in a second. Welcome back. So this is the whole kit. This is all that is included in the box except for the phone. Now these are the things that you will need. You need a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you don't have the Ultra, don't get this screen protector because it won't work for the phone. We have some dust removers. We have 2 of them. We have our card, very vital for installing the screen protector. We do have a microfiber cloth that we need, but I'm not sure if I'm going to really use this too much. We do have a module. This is very necessary to put on the screen protector correctly. And then, of course, we have our screen protector here. We actually get 2 of them. I thought there was only 1, but I'm glad there's actually 2 because this kit is pretty pricey. It is $16.99, and there will be a link in the description below if you want to buy this kit. Hopefully, for the pricing that it is advertised at, it gives us the quality material that we're using. So let's go ahead. So the first thing we need to do is we need to take off this little blue tab on the module. Just throw that off to the side. We're going to take our phone, line it up at the bottom, and press down on it. So I press down. Even though I cleaned it, I'm going to have to clean it again because I just got some more fingerprint on there. So I just have a microfiber cloth and some rubbing alcohol. I'm just wiping it down really good and then using the dry part to wipe it down this way. So after that, I'm going to take my microfiber here, this finer one, and I'm just going to wipe it down that way. So the first thing I'm going to do then is take one of my screen protectors. I'm going to wipe it down as well. And I'm going to take this dust remover and get any particles that might have landed on this phone screen. Just check it at all different angles with some light. Make sure it's good to go, and I think that is perfect, so I'm just going to put that back on. And our first part is we're going to remove this little tab like that. We're going to put our phone down into the module hole. Make sure it's all lined up, which it is. We're going to take our card. We're going to go side to side. And then we're going to lift up on this part. Use the card to guide the film off. Once we did that, we're going to lift up from this part, this tab here. Going to do the same thing. Going to push it backwards. Put the card down. Get any bubbles that you might see and put them to the side, the up part, the down part, anywhere that you might see. Take your card and go along the edges. So you're going to take it and you're going to push down slightly. Don't do it too hard. And this is going to get the sides to stick really well. Alright? And you can be a little rough with this because this is what this part is. This protects the front part. So do the other side. you might have to move the module around to get to a position that is comfortable for you. And once you notice that it's all down, peel this back. And voila, it's all done. So I do see one little air bubble here, and that should dissipate over the next 24 hours or so. But yeah, fits nice. Just examine the tops and the bottom and the sides to make sure that it is on there correctly. And if it's not, well, it's not the end of the world. You could always have this other one that you could use. But I'm pretty satisfied with that. Let's see how well the thumbprint works. So I'm pretty impressed with that. So that's pretty nice. I mean, that's a fast response. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting. And if you want to buy this, I will have the link in the description below for the kit. I hope this one is nice in quality, has a nice smooth feel to it, and fingerprint is almost instantaneous. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped you out, and I will see you next time. So take it easy, take care of yourself, and bye-bye now.